Alrighty. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this started. Hello everybody, welcome to the stream. I hope you're having a fantastic night. If you're watching this in the future, welcome to the VOD. Make sure you stay hydrated, get some water before we get started. So, if we just go ahead and jump into this. Where are we up to? What are we doing? So, working more on Bananas in Paradise. Goals for this evening are to make a main menu screen. We want a main menu and I want a pause menu. And I don't know, maybe flesh out the map a little bit more. But there's been some pretty major updates since I streamed yesterday. I was doing a little bit of work on it more today. And when I say a little bit, I mean quite a lot more work on it today, actually. So, what's changed? First of all, we've got this neat little screen over here that I've put the logo of the game on. Alright, it's on the other side as well. I've got the patch notes here, which I'm not gonna linger on for too long because I wanna kind of walk through everything. Changed some of the rocks. I've added more realistic water that you can now actually walk into. There's a few more props. I've increased the amount of bananas that there are in the game. There's a little section over here as well. There's this house you can go into. There's also a little jumping puzzle that you need to complete to get up to this banana here. I've changed the texture of the grass and texture of the road, which is now gravel, and texture of the sand. Now, might be thinking, well, that's actually a lot, and you'd be right. You would be correct. You would absolutely be correct. However, we also have realistic character movement now as well. We have camera shake on just when you're walking, just when you're standing still. So imitates breathing. The actual movement is a bit slower and more realistic as well. We now have the sprint is a bit kind of closer to life. It's more of a jog than a run. And we can crouch with a more realistic and slow crouch. And yeah, we still have a dash motion, obviously. The camera shake isn't perfect to where I'd like it, but it does the job. Somehow managed to get some foliage up on that roof there, but I wouldn't worry about it. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're up to. Which is, you know, if you were if you were here last night, it is a absurd amount of changes. I gotta be honest. I've done a fair bit, but that's okay. So, like I said, goals. And the water. Check this out. You're not Jesus anymore because you can't walk on water. Instead, now there's actual water that you can go into, and I added an invisible wall here so you can't just walk off the edge of the island. There's nothing under it. So we'll need to add like a water hazy kind of effect when you drop below this, but we'll get to that later. That's really not important right now, because you're not supposed to be in the water anyway. It's nothing. No reason to go out here. So, steps for this afternoon. We're gonna add a main menu screen and a level complete screen. So, we'll go into folders here. We'll call this levels. Doing anything out of prototyping? I don't think so. I might as well hold on to that anyway. Sorry. So in levels, we're gonna add new level. We call this main menu. Alright, so in level main menu, and so this is bananas here. I don't think I can. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. We'll just leave it where it is. So in levels, I do also have this document here. I lied. I actually don't have a document here. I'm going to go ahead and pull this up now. Here we go. So, creating a main menu. All right. Open your main menu or widget blueprint. So, I'm actually going to... Hang on. Back out here. New folder. Call this main menu. Move this here. Yes, that's fine. Cool. So, user interface widget blueprint. BP main menu. So we have our level main menu and our blueprint main menu. Open this up into the designer. There we go. Alright, so we have our canvas panel. We want our, let's see. We want a vertical box. And this is going to have the buttons in it to, like, this will anchor the buttons such that you can, you know, click them to press play. We're going to have dos, tres buttons and text. Oh, highlighted, obviously, idiot. And text in each. There we go. Kill. All right. Okay. Let's see. So, we're also gonna need an image. And this image is going to be the Bananas in Paradise. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiferous. So, see, look, our main menu is already ballin'. Select the vertical box in the hierarchy and then right click and copy it. Alright, I'm just going to do exactly what it says. Because I don't want to stuff anything up. So, vertical box goes out the canvas panel. So we have 2 now. Great. Great, 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 good, great. In the new vertical box, right-click, copy a button, and paste it to create a 4th button. Alright, so I can do that. It's 4 buttons in our second box, 3 buttons in our first one. Select the first vertical box, rename it to main menu. Check the is variable option, and Z order will be 1. Great. Select the other vertical box, rename to options. Is variable, and Z order will be 2. I lied. Z order is also 1. Rename each of the buttons as shown below. Okay. Play button. Options button. And quit button. Great. And these are settings 1. Setting 2. Setting 3. And return button. Right. Okay. Update each of the text buttons. So main menu is going to be play get. Oh, that actually is the full text like such. Oh, I see. No, it's just it to be called play game. Yep. Oh, nope, I lied again. This is going to be play game. There we go. Okay, I see. Options. And last one is quit. Quit. We also need an additional text up here, and this is going to say resolution. We don't really need to do this, I guess, but this is what you know, it's good to learn, and this is what the tutorial's telling me to do anyway, so might as well. Uh, 1280. Let's see, 80 by 720. And then this one will be 1080 by, no, 1920 by 1080. Great. Great, great, good, great, good. And then the last one will be return. Awesome. Okay. Holding control and then selecting each of the buttons. No, just the buttons. Then the detail panel, set a tint color for hovered and set each to fill for size. Maybe banana colored. And set fill for size. Fill. Done. Ooh, that's looking a bit funky, but it is what it is. Let's see. Select the image in the hierarchy, then in the details under appearance and brush, select a texture, sprite, or material to use. Oh well, we need a background image. So let's go island wallpaper on Google. $19.20. Oh, perfect. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, this is so nice. Maybe this one. This one looks nice. Here we go. 1920 by 1080. Beautiferous. Download. Yes, great. And we'll call it... we'll just call it Island Wallpaper. Yes. So in levels, main menu, let's put this in. Great. I do want to have that there as well. So this one is going to be game logo. And this one is going to be background. Awesome. And then this image is going to be island wallpaper. Yes. Okay. I wonder if I can if I just stretch this out. Yeah, there we go. Magic. Beautiful. So good. All right. So we have our background. Resize the image to take the entire layout. Yes, good. In the details panel for the image, click the anchor button and choose the fill screen option. Anchor button. Oh, here we go. There we go. That's got it. And that will automatically resize. Excellent. Okie dokie hunky dory. Select both vertical boxes and anchor them to the left center position. Dunsky. We do not want options to be shown by default. We will tell it to be visible through script. So, options, visibility, hidden. Select the main menu vertical box and resize it as desired. Nope. Okay, maybe I need to... Main menu. There we go. Resize it first and then... There we go. But, now, the question is, why are... Welcome! Hello! Salutations. How are you? There we go. That's got it. You finished food? Nice. What'd you have? Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna move this up here. Actually, that looks better. There we go. Great. Can you adjust the font size and alignment? Yeah, you know what? Let's go ahead and do that. There's lava noodles. Oh, nice. Yeah. God, you're insane. All for you. Like, more power to you. Visibility hidden. There we go. We want everything in here to be hidden. Yes. All right. Why is that not... That's so weird. It's hidden. That should be alright, whatever. I'm sure we'll get to that. Okay, so you can adjust the font size and alignment from the details of each text widget. Yeah, I think we need to play around with the alignment a bit more. Let's... Okay, that just pads the text. Top should be... No. That didn't do anything. Maybe 10 up and 10 bottom? No, that didn't do anything either. Okay. And let's crank this to be like bright yellow when pressed. There we go. Awesome. Sugoi. Just gonna save that real quick. Let's leave this as is. I don't understand why these aren't hiding. First one is this options menu. Behavior, visibility. Yeah. Whatever. Okay, so. Yep. All looks great. Set up your options vertical box as desired, then move directly behind your main menu box. Okay. Let's have these buttons look kind of more or less the same. Beautiful. Nope, not that. Lock those in place. Lock this in place. So just shifting this. There we go. All right. So, that's good. Great. No. There we go. Nope. That was right. Yep. Okay. With the visual layout of our menu complete, in the next step, we will script the menu's functionality. Why is this? Okay, obviously we need to figure out why this is still visible when I'm explicitly telling it to be hidden. This is infuriating. All of it. All of it is variable. Make it all variable. Now make it all hidden. Alright. Time to get our hands dirty and script the functionality of our main menu. At the end of the step, we'll be able to launch our game to the main menu, start our game, as well as change the resolution inside the Options tab. Okay, open the main menu widget blueprint and click the Graph tab. Graph. Okay. In the My Blueprint window, select the Play button. Play button. I think I turned off variables. There we go. Main menu, play button is very... Oh, God. Okay. So you're really going to do this? Oh, visibility set to hidden there too. Alright. Okay, just making sure all that's good. That's right. Okay, so. Play button. On clicked. Add on clicked events for each of your buttons. Okay, so play. Options, quit, setting 1, setting 2, setting 3, and return. Awesome. So, we've arranged our buttons in the graph to mimic the layout of our menu for clarity. That's genius. That's actually genius. Okay. Alright, so off the on-clicked play button, add a open level. So it's going to be open level by name. And this will be bananas. And a remove from parent node. Great. The level name is where you indicate the name of the level you want it to load. The remove from parent node will remove the target widget blueprint from the viewport. It is set to target itself. that we want to remove from the view after level is loaded. Great. All right, so hold control and drag in the main menu and options menu variables. Main menu and option. Oh. Okay. Oh God. Wait. So main menu. Set visibility. Visibility is hidden. And then options menu. Set visibility is visible. Here we are turning off the main menu and turning on the options menu. Off each of the settings buttons, add an execute console command node. Execute console command. Execute console command. Execute console command. Great. So r.setRes 640 by 480. r.setRes 1280 by 720. r.setRes 1920 by 1080. Great. Those are done. For the return button, repeat step 6, but reverse the settings so the main menu is visible and the options menu is hidden. Alright, so we're going to have main menu, get main menu, set visibility, main menu is visible, and options menu, set visibility is hidden. Done. Epic. Quick game. Awesome. Okay. Compile, save, close the blueprint. In the content browser, open the main level and then open the level blueprint. Alright, so we go to content. We're in bananas. And open level blueprint. Open level blueprint. Open level blueprint. Hang on, no, it's here. It is. Open level blueprint. So it's here somewhere. I know that. It's alright. We don't actually need a level for this. Interesting. Okay. Cool. It's all done within the one level. I like that. So, bananas. On event begin play. Create main. Oh. Create widget. Class is BP main menu. Connect and add to viewport. And show. Oh, hang on. So these connect, and then get player controller is show mouse cursor. No, it needs to set. Show mouse cursor on. Following the event begin play script. Oh, hang on. Set mouse cursor to true, compile and close blueprint. Great. Player. Open the first person character blueprint inside the content first person BP blueprints. So that's here. Following the event begin play script. Add a get player controller. Get player controller. Set input game mode only. Create widget. Add banana points. Oh, hang on. This is... This is done somewhere else. Where did I... Ah, here it is. Alright, let's take this out of the game mode. And put this into the character. There we go. Should still work. Fine. It's just somewhere else now. Okay, so... HUD... Add to viewport. Set input game mode only. Player controller. Done. Cool beans. This will turn the cursor off and set the input for the player to game mode only. Connect the out pin of set input game only to the branch node. Nope, we don't need that. Compile and close the blueprint, then open the world settings. Under game mode, set the game mode override to first person game mode. That should be fine. Well, clearly something has gone awry. Well, the quit button works, so that's cool. The options menu does not, and the banana HUD is still showing up. Interesting. Okay. So, clearly something has gone very wrong here. I think I've gone almost right. Widget blueprint, user interface, user widget. Yes, this is making the main menu. So this is designing the menu. That's fine. Functionality. Here we go. Okay, so select the play button. Details, locate the on clicked. Yeah, that should work. Open level by object reference. See. Yeah. Alright, let's try that. So, main menu, BP main menu. In graph. Open level by object reference. Select asset, bananas. Remove from parent and remove from viewport. No, that's... But see, that last one didn't make sense because this was... What was it? Player. On event begin play. Create the banana HUD. And add to viewport. Which is, that's what it said. This is so frustrating when there's like... Open your main menu widget blueprint. Okay, yeah. So this is part of a different series where they've set up everything else wrong. Motion graphics UI designer. They have... Yeah, okay, so they've... There it is. Yep, so they've set up a different level. I knew it. I knew it. I was like, surely. 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 Okay. Oh, this is frustrating. All right. Have they... Yep. Yeah, there it is. Different level. Completely different. Okay. All right. Let's go again. Okay. 45 minutes down the drain. Love that. Love that for me. All right. So creating a widget blueprint. Yes, I've got this. I'm just gonna leave that actually. UE5 user interface hidden not working. Let's try. I just want to see what's going on with this. Created the second widget. I've created a button which allows me to close this window when the player ends. Yeah, I don't know why hidden isn't. Remove from parent as target self. Yeah, that's... Okay, let's just go step by step with what they've done here. So, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. And in the HUD, let's get rid of this. The main menu, yep, gone. Cool. Level blueprint, gone. Yep. Okay. So, starting from scratch. Create the widget blueprint. Yes, user interface, widget blueprint, BP, main menu. Great. Yes, drop down, widget blueprint. Yep. Awesome. The content browser, locate and double click on it. You can design your loadout. Yep. So canvas panel, vertical box, Yahoo. That's going to have our things in it. Image. This is going to anchor to the full screen. And this will have island wallpaper. Second image is going to have the logo for the game. Put that there. Great. Awesome. Looks fantastic. Love it. Ship it. Cut it. Send it to print. So, yep. Nope. Got all this. Yep. Image. Say you can add the image to the background. Yep. Great. Done that. All right. So we want button and a button. We want 3 buttons. Okay. So this is play button. This is options button. This is quit button. This is a variable. This is a variable. This is a variable. And this will be main menu. And this is a variable. Okay, this is going to have text. No. Oh, I need text in it. Idiot. Not a slider, but text. 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 Play. Options. Quit. Great. Anchor to the left side, move down, and then we're going to have these 3 are going to fit. Fill. I don't think that's quite what we had in mind. Whatever. That'll do for now. That's fine. Actually, I wonder if I can... Aha! Look at me go. It's probably not the way you're supposed to do it, but, you know, we take those anyway. So... style. Hovered is going to be banana yellow. Oh, hang on. We want this for all of these. So hovered is going to be banana yellow. And pressed is going to be bright yellow. Great. Cool. Because, you know, bananas. Alright. Compile save. Text is added. Adding to the user face is a simple process. Done that. Functionality. Okay. I wonder if I can change the regular color. There we go. Pretty. All right. To add functionality to the main menu, select the play button on the canvas in the widget blueprint editor. On clicked. So open the graph. Alright, so open level by object reference is bananas. Yes. For the options button. Alright, I actually don't need to go back in here. On clicked options button. And on clicked quit button. This is going to be quit the game. Done. Don't know why I moved those. I actually didn't need to. It is what it is. They're there now. Create widget. And we're going to make options in here, user interface, widget blueprint options menu. And this will be options menu. Add to viewport. And remove from parent target self, which is the main menu. Okay. For the quit button, quit the game. Done. We don't need to create the current time. Don't worry about that. Alright, so open the level blueprint graph in the new level. Which will be level main menu. Level blueprint. And create widget. Add to viewport. From the create widget node, select the desired widget class to create an instance of it. Hang on. Open. After successfully implementing the desired functionality for your menu, it is crucial to thoroughly test its performance and functionality. Add the main menu widget to the view. Open the level blueprint graph in the new level, other than the map. Right-click on an empty area of the graph and type create widget in the search bar. From the list of available nodes, select create widget and drag it over the graph. Connect the output execution of the create widget node to the add viewport. From the create widget node, select the desired widget class, create an instance of it. So this is the main menu. Right click again, look for the get player controller. Drag off this node and look for set player controller and make sure it's checked. What? Oh, I think they've typed this wrong. Because it's meant to be... Drag off the get player controller node again. Look for the set input mode UI. UI only. Set show mouse cursor. Goes here. Great. Awesome. Done. Hey, dude, how are ya? What's cracking? Finally studying again? Yeah. Yeah, it's taken me a long time. But, you know what? I gotta be honest with you. It's working out pretty well. Could be going a lot worse. I'm actually making a game now. So, currently working on adding a main menu to the game. And an options menu and stuff. Which is definitely more difficult than I thought it would be. But it is what it is. Okay. Next, go to the level where your player will go to after clicking the play button on the main menu and add the below. Alright, so we're in bananas. Yeah, I'm working on it. Very much working on it. I'm working on it. I will say nothing else. I'm working on it. Okay, so level blueprint. Begin play. Set. Oh yeah, show mouse. Set show mouse cursor. Oh yeah. No, I'm beautiful. Don't worry about it. And this is going to be game mode only. Great. Yes, go back to the level where you set up the main menu and do the following. Alright, so why? What do you... Oh. Not player state, the other one. Player, controller. There it is. Whoopsie doodle. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Cool. Go back to the level you set up your main menu, which is in main menu, level main menu. From here, select world settings. No, I haven't really been watching much anime. I haven't really just had time for watching things recently. I have... Oh, I did. Tell a lie. I did. I've been grinding watching The Boys. Such a good show. Such a sick show. And Owl House. If you haven't seen Owl House, oh my god, magnificent show. Pink, if you're still around, watch Owl House. Incredible. How about you? What have you been watching? Okay, so in the world settings tab, change the default pawn class to be the default pawn. Game mode override. Yep, default pawn. HUD class HUD. This will be whatever game mode you've selected by changing it to the default pawn. We ensure that we don't spawn in an additional character. From the third person template, you do not change this. You would spawn in a third person character when we over the main menu level. Gotcha. Okay. Easy doing. Finally, launch your game. Click on the play button. We launch the game. And we have no menu. Okay. Well. That's not great. Why do we have... No, because it... Yeah, of course. Idiot. Add to viewport, tuck. There we go. Alright. Well, hey! Bananas in Paradise. We have... no mouse. Alright, you know what? Set show mouse cursor. Idiot. What? Well, hey! We have a main menu. Play. It works! I did do better. I did do better. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. I think we're going to need a game mode for this. So, GM main menu. And this is going to be... Default pawn class is default pawn. HUD, yes, great. Cool. And then in speedrun game mode is going to be our runner character. Now better again. I'm bloody working on it. I'll be back in 1 second. Hi, I've been here the whole time. All right, so yes, so my the main game mode is there. So we need to go into level main menu. We need to set we need to set game mode, I think. I know there's a way to change. Set game mode. Because we need to have the... We need to have banana. The bananas level. This needs to be... This needs to be the character. The only other Australian to watch is Dropout. Yeah. I don't know. I feel like Dropout's gotten pretty popular. And even then, I don't watch it religiously. I kind of watch... I watch, I watch the shorts. You know, when they pop up and I'm like, ha, cool. But I'm not, like, religious. Alright, let's try this. So we click, yes, Bananas in Paradise. Great. Play. Cool. You know what? I don't think we even need to change the character, because it isn't spawning here. We're like, it's a completely different level, right? So it shouldn't spawn here. There's no reason for it to spawn here. And even if it does, doesn't matter. The character can't move anyway. Yes. Great. Okay. That's our main menu. So if I open it in a new window. Aha! Look at this! Yeah, I just watched Game Changer and make some noise on YouTube. For free. I also don't have $8 a month. Why do you think I'm streaming with a tip link in my bio? Because I'm poor. You're making no money. Okay, options menu works, as in the button to do it goes to the place. But now we need an options menu. So I reckon it's going to be easier to basically just do the same thing. We make an options menu and then set the resolution from there. So in main menu, we have this. Actually, I have an idea. I actually haven't seen much of Dimension 20 either, to be honest. Again, like if it pops up in my shorts, I'll give it a look, but I haven't been like super sit down and watch it, you know what I mean? When it comes to things like D&D, I'm very much I need to play it. I can't just sit down and watch it. And that's, you know, obviously more power to you if you are like that, go for it. But I just found that I kind of can't. So we'll anchor this out. Island wallpaper, great. Image in here. Bananas in Paradise. Oh, actually, we don't need that because it's the options menu. Vertical box. actually, I might just copy this to here. This will be options menu, setting 1, setting 640, setting 720. Actually, what am I doing? The first one's got to be 720. So this one has to be, God, hey! This has to be 1080. And this one will be 1440. That's true. That's a good point. I don't know. I think I just have too many other things that I'm listening to at one time, you know? Maybe at some point. Maybe at some point I'll probably sit down and listen to it. Or even if I'm just like a podcast driving in the car, you know? And this will be... Let's make sure this works. Okay, so this will be 1280 by 720. This will be 1920 by 1080. This will be 2560 by 1440. And we also need an additional button. Goes at the bottom. And this is... with text in it as well, obviously. Return button. Back. Also needs the shift. There we go. Make it priority. Just want to make sure all these are the same color for coherency. Yep. Alright, so button 1. This is going to be this. When it's hovered, it's going to be this. And when it's pressed, it's going to be yellow. Great. Great, good. Okay, so main menu in here. Maybe options menu, cool. And then in the options menu, we go to the graph. Actually, we can just do this. Unclicked, unclicked, unclicked. This also needs to be a variable. And unclicked. Great, so... console command will be r.setRes 1280 by 720. Resolution. There's got to be a space between it. Well, this is interesting, right? Because it says usage of r.setres 600 by 400, where n can either be F for full screen or W for windowed. Well, that doesn't help me because you've just said r.setres, but not where the n or the F needs to go. Or the W, or the whoever. Let's see. Alright, well, looks like the console commands doesn't work in the shipping build. Oh, I see. So the F or the W goes at the end. Okay, that makes sense. Alright, let's try... Let's just disconnect this and move this over here for now. So we've got... get game user settings. Set screen resolution. Apply resolution settings. Set screen resolution UE5. Here's a handy dandy cotton candy little... Oh, this needs to be split. Okay, that's why. This resolution X will be 1280 by 720. Oh, no, God, not 7200. Jesus. Apply resolution settings. Okay, and then we just can copy for this, because this will be 1080 by... Nope. This will be 1920 by 1080. And then same again. Where this will be 2560 by 1440. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna... Oh, Target must have a connection, of course. Let me just make sure I've done this right. Oh, and then we also need apply settings at the end. Boop. Beep. And these all connect to each other as well. Yes, yes, great. Epic. Okay, so unclick return button. Hang on, let me go back and just do this. So unclick return button. Create main menu. Remove self. Awesome. So that's easy. That's done. So next, I had another idea, so we'll get rid of that as well. What if we also had, check this out. Check this out. Checkbox. I need a vertical box as well. And we'll put checkbox in here. With text that says full screen question mark. There's the tiniest little checkbox. Okay, surely that checkbox is going to look... That's got to look better. We got to do something about that. Oh, hang on. We can just put it in a button. Haha. Look at me with a big smarty brain. Would you can't accept additional children? What do you mean? Oh, there we go. That's why. And that goes there as well. Full screen, button. Button goes underneath. Why is that looking so weird? That's a bit better. Ah, there we go. Kind of annoying that it's not sitting... Actually, I might be able to put a vertical box in the vertical box. And put the button on that one. Nah, I didn't do what I wanted it to. That's okay. Alright. No worries. Let's just get rid of that box. Surely there's got to be a way to put the button... next to that. Okay. No, it's fine. Full screen button. So on clicked. Get game user settings. Set full screen mode. Windowed. Apply resolution settings. Actually, there's got to be a way. That's alright. Apply settings. Set full screen mode. UE5. Hang on, maybe. Okay, branch. Where's this? FS check. Is checked. True. Set full screen. False. Set this to full screen if it's is checked. Set to full screen. Is not checked. Set to windowed. No, it is going to be the other way around, because if it is checked, it'll already be full screen. So when it's clicked, yes, it's full screen. Set it to window. Once you click it, if it's clicked and the check is checked and it's not checked, set to full screen. I don't think that's going to work the way that I want it to, but I kind of just want to test this out and see how it goes. Oh, okay. So the button. Yeah. Okay. So it kind of does what I want it to do. But not really. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Alright, hang on. No, don't screw around with the full screen. Just leave this as it is. And then in the options menu, full screen gone. Get game user settings. Set user setting. No, hang on. Set setting. What was it? Settings. Damn it. What was it? Set full screen mode. Full screen. Apply settings. There we go. That'll... Wait, no. We don't want it on this one. On event... Oh, wait. Event begin... Oh, God. Begin play. Huh. It's fine. You know what? It's fine. It's in this level blueprint. Yeah, here we go. I think we actually want... Oh, no. I think we actually want all this to execute first and then create the blueprint. Compile, save, play. Okay, it's not in full screen mode. You know what? It's fine. I'm not stressed about it being full screen. I don't care, actually. Options, I just want to make sure the options work. They definitely don't, because my monitor is 1440. I don't know why that's happening, but the back button works, the forward button works, and the play button works. And you know what? That's good enough for me. Cut, print, ship, done. Good God in heaven. Alright. Project settings. This is going to be 0.0.3. Maps and modes. Editor startup map will be bananas. Game default map will be main menu. Yep. Cool. And then I'm gonna build this and chuck it on itch. But I think that's gonna wrap up for tonight, because I've been working on this all day. So, if you're still with me, thanks for watching. If you're watching this in the future, enjoy the VOD. I'll chuck a link to the game in the description if you want to download it from itch.io. And, thanks. See you next time.